It's like they're doing it's a redo, Matt. It's a the FDA's getting a second chance here. It's like they dropped the ball originally on SID 101, which when it came out of the blue that they hadn't approved it. It was like, what's going on here? Because all the compelling evidence that was in favor of SID 101 and the critical nature of this is the crux of our whole myopia management tools. I mean, this is the central tool that we're going to be using. It's critical we have an FDA approval on it. And the fact that they didn't do it the first time around, and the fact that they didn't render any kind of reason why, that what they said didn't do, Sydnexis didn't do, they appealed that decision and then they gave them a redo. So here we go. Here's the second try. And hopefully they
Right.
get it right this time. We're all waiting for this.
Yeah, and just to catch everyone up to speed, basically, last year around October, Sydnexis had announced that their submission for FDA approval had been rejected, and it left a lot of us scratching our heads because, as best we could tell with the information that was available, Sydnexis had met all of its milestones and endpoints that had been outlined for it. The data appeared to be sound. Everything appeared to be very reasonable. And as this story started to unfold, we learned that the FDA was saying things like, well, it's not clinically meaningful. And we're like, well, what does that mean? And, we're all just kind of waiting for like the big reason. And I feel like it never really came. And so,